How to hide one-person chat in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can hide a chat on WhatsApp. So if you're looking on how you can do that, let's follow up the process and let me show you how we can do it. So first of all, head over and open up your WhatsApp, and if you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. And after you're logged in, you should be able to see the chat section in your homepage of your WhatsApp. So in order to hide a chat, what you can do is, it is pretty simple. You just need to archive the chat. So for that, you can long press on the chat for which you want to hide, and you will be finding this archive section, archive option icon beside this three dot. So you're going to go ahead and click on it, and that chat should be archived and it will no longer appear on your chat section. And that is it. So that is how you basically hide up your chat in WhatsApp, which is pretty simple and easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you.